Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's December 23rd, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. Hey everyone, it's Christmas Eve. I hope you are spending some wonderful time with your families today. I am going to be spending some time with mine. It is my mother-in-law's birthday party tonight, and we are going over there to celebrate her and have a little Christmas party, which is always super fun. Then tomorrow is Christmas Eve, my favorite day of the year. I love Christmas Eve. It's the only time I enjoy winter. We get together with my side of the family and have a great time. We did a video on hide and seek about our family traditions, and almost every single one of my kids mentioned the Christmas Eve party because it's their favorite thing. So I'm looking forward to that, and I do need to get running. I have a lot of things to do today. I have so many presents to wrap, you don't even know. It's going to take me forever to wrap all the presents, it feels like. But that'll be fine. I'm looking forward to all the festivities. Of course, we will not be having a live chat this week because it'll be Christmas Day, and I hope that you guys will enjoy spending time with your families, and I know I will be. Christmas is one of my favorite times of year. So you're all here for the weigh-in update, and I better get to it so that we can get back to our parties, right? So here we go. Let's check out what I weighed today. So as you can see, I weighed in today at 190.4. That's pretty much what I was expecting from this week. It's a 3.9. It's a 3.9 pound gain for the week, which we all know is water weight, and I'm not super worried about because it happens every month. I feel great about that. I'm excited about the holidays. I figure it's probably going to go up even more with Christmas and everything. I'm not going off keto for Christmas. I am going to stay keto, but I have a lot of keto treats planned, and I probably will go over my calories a bit, maybe even possibly my carbs a little bit, but only with keto things. So it's not intentional. It's just that I'm not going to be tracking. I'm just going to be eating whichever keto treats appeal to me at the time and not worrying about it. So that's where I'm going to be for Christmas, and then we are going to hit it strong in the new year. So be ready to get started with me hitting those weight loss macros again in the new year. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I just want you to stay happy, stay healthy. I hope you enjoy your holiday. Spend time with your families, and that's the most important thing. Don't let food rule your holiday. Remember that food is just fuel. It's not what we get together for. We get together for the people, and that's what you got to remember at this special time of year. Thank you all so much. I wish you a Merry, Merry Christmas, and I'll talk to you all again soon.